This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use a spectrophotometer. Turn on the spectrophotometer and wait for 15 minutes for it to heat up. Set the spectrophotometer to the wavelength of maximum absorption. We will set it to 640.
Set the spectrophotometer to absorbance mode by pressing the ATC button. Once in absorbance mode, this will be indicated by an A on the display.
Open the lid to the sample chamber to prepare for cuvette insertion. Rinse the cuvette 3 times with DI water and wipe off all sides of the cuvette using chemwipes to remove any grease or fingerprints. Then fill it 3/4 of the way full with your solvent. Check the cuvette for bubbles and lightly tap the sides to remove them.
If your cuvette has an arrow on it, place it inside the spectrophotometer with the arrow side facing towards you and close the sample chamber. If your cuvette does not have an alignment arrow, align the 1 cm path length with the light beam before measuring the absorption.
Now press the Zero Absorbance button. This will set a blank on your machine so you can properly measure your solutions. Once the machine reads zero absorbance, fill your cuvette with your solution, put it in the chamber, and close the lid. The absorbance of your solution will appear on the display.
Now open the sample chamber and observe the reaction between the spectrophotometer and the substance in the cuvette. In this example, chalk was used. When finished, pour out the solution and rinse out the cuvette with DI water to clean the cuvette for future use.